Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make high-quality ice cream. To achieve that perfect scoop, it all starts with understanding the fundamentals. We'll cover selecting the best ingredients, preparing your base with care, and mastering the churning process. Getting these steps right ensures a wonderfully smooth and flavorful result every time. Let's dive into the details. The foundation of amazing ice cream is its ingredients. Opt for heavy cream with at least 36% milk fat for unparalleled richness. For a classic custard, gently whisk together sugar, egg yolks, and whole milk. Heat this mixture slowly, stirring constantly, until it reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit. This careful cooking creates a stable and delicious base. Once your base is cooked, chilling is the next critical step. It needs to be thoroughly cold, ideally for at least 4 hours or even overnight to ensure proper freezing. Then, pour the chilled base into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Churn until it reaches a soft serve consistency, usually around 20 to 30 minutes. Don't over-churn, as this can lead to a less smooth texture. After churning, transfer your soft ice cream into an airtight container. This helps prevent ice crystals from forming and keeps it fresh. For the best scoopable texture, freeze it for at least 6 hours or preferably overnight. Now you're ready to enjoy your homemade, high-quality treat. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.